All right, so this is Thursday. We're looking at different types of triangles now, and we're trying to figure out the measurement of the missing angles. So under example 1, there is an activity where it says draw a scalene triangle with side lengths and measures of angles based on the relationship between the sides and the angles. Remember that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Turn off, Alexa. Alexa, turn off. So this is a triangle that you make up yourselves. So you're going to make a scalene triangle. So try your best to make a scalene triangle. And it's kind of hard when you're trying to not make it perfect. It's like all of a sudden you can make a perfect triangle. It's weird. Okay, that does not look scalene at all. I'm sorry. This is the best I can do. All right, so I'm just going to label my triangle. And I did this already. So I'm just going to make those the same measurement. So I'm going to say that this one is 89 degrees. And let's make this one like 40. Okay, so 89 plus 40 gives me 129 degrees. And I'm going to subtract that from 180. Why can't I subtract? 51 degrees. So this one right here is 51 degrees. Now, if you cannot make a perfect scalene triangle, it is absolutely fine. Just make sure that all your angles are different and all your sides are different. So now I need to label my sides. Now this angle goes across from this side, so this is going to be my longest side. So I'm going to make this be 25. Okay, and then this angle right here is 40 degrees. It's my shortest or my smallest angle. So it goes across this. This will be my shortest side. So I'm going to make this, I don't know, 15. And then this angle right here is my middle angle. So this right here will be my middle length. And I'm going to make this just be 20, just to make it easy. Now later on, you guys will learn how to figure out exact angles based off of the sides. And it's this math formula that you do. This is not it. I did not do that. I just made up some numbers and made it scaling. All right. Number 2. Number 2, you're given a picture of a triangle that looks kind of like this. And you have A, B, and C. This is 10, 10, and 16. So you have two sides are the same. So it's an isosceles triangle. And they want to know which angle is the largest angle. Well, again, if we're looking at the sides, our angles go with our sides. This is 10, this is 10, this is 16. This right here is the longest side. And so that's going to be across from the largest angle. So angle C is the largest angle. All right. And then number 3. It says, which side is the longest? Side DE, side EF, or side DF? So you're looking at a triangle that's like this. And you have D, E, and F. This one's 109 degrees. This one's 34 degrees. And angle E is 37 degrees. Oh, that's not even in the picture frame. All right, so now, what side is the longest? Well, your longest side is across from your largest angle. My largest angle is angle F with 109 degrees, so it's going to be opposite from side DE. So DE is the longest. side. All right, activity 2, they want you to draw an obtuse triangle with side lengths and measures based on the relationship between the sides and angles. All right, so an obtuse angle or obtuse triangle will have one obtuse angle. So I'm going to do my best to do that. There we go. That's an obtuse angle for sure. All right, so my obtuse angle has to be larger than 90 degrees. So I'm going to make this be like 115 degrees. And what else does it tell me? Okay, I just have to have an obtuse triangle. All right, so I can make this angle be, I don't know, 40 degrees. So I'm going to do 115 plus 40. That's 155 degrees, and I'm going to subtract that from 180. That is 10, that is 7, 25 degrees for this angle. All right, so then let's label some sides. So I'm going to have a small, medium, and large side. So 115 degrees is my largest angle. So across from that, it's going to be my longest side. So I can make this be 30. 25 degrees is my shortest angle, or my smallest angle. So my shortest side is across from that. It's right here. So I'm going to make this be 10. And then 40 degrees is my middle angle. So this right here is my middle side. I'm going to make this 20. Okay, so yours doesn't have to look exactly like mine, but hopefully you get the idea. All right, number 2, it says draw an acute triangle with side lengths and the measures of the angle based on the relationship between the sides and angles. Remember that the sum of the angles in the triangles is 180 degrees. So same thing. I'm going to draw an acute triangle, and I'm going to label it with angles that are less than 90 degrees. So I'm going to do an equilateral triangle, just because I've been talking too much. So this is an acute angle. All my angles are less than 90 degrees. An acute or an equilateral triangle, all the sides are the same, or angles are the same. So all sides will be the same. So I can just pick a side measurement and have them all be the same. All right, so there you have it.